Okay, good morning everyone. How are you all? All fine? Now today Shlok will write date. Okay, Shlok hand is not working properly. Okay, good morning beta. So today's date is 25 July 2021. And which subject we are going to learn? Angrezi. That is English. Okay. Fine. Before that, let's start the prayer, everyone. Okay. I'm going to play that audio. All of you, join your hands, close your eyes. I think it is clear now. Okay. So here I'm going to play that. All of you, get ready. या वीणा वरदंड वंदित करा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत प्रभृति भी मातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजापहा. All of you, now you can open your eyes. Fine. I hope you all are fit and fine. Good. See, I'm going to share with you a link. Okay. So in that link you can see so many things about. Yes, beta.
No, I am not fine.
What? What did you say?
No, I am not fine.
You not fine means where? Tell me.
No, I am not fine. I am better today.
Oh God, but I am not fine, even not better even. See, I'm going to check my temperature and I'll tell you, okay? What is the temperature? 37.
37.
So it is normal? Is it normal?
No, 1 degree more.
1
It
degree
is
more.
normal. See on Google. It is normal, ma'am. 37 is normal human body temperature.
37, no, 36.
36 is normal. 36. Yeah. Speak in English. Speak in English. So it is
Google
36
wrong.
is normal. Yes, Google Baba is saying wrong. No, right. 36 is normal. Okay. So yesterday we have done reading and few students are left to read. Okay. So today I'm going to take their reading test. After that we are going to move the introduction and explanation of the chapter 4. Okay. Saving Chilika. See, today I'm going to, all of you remember, today I'm going to share with you a link that you can know about the Lake Chilika. So many things about Chilika. Okay. If you want to know more, you can search in YouTube. You will find so many videos, so many documentaries, videos and all in YouTube channel. Okay, all of you. So who all are left? Shlok, read out their name.
Morning, Keshav, Jaidev, George, Basri, Dharmi, Himanshi, Agastya, Milan, Ashita.
Agastya you has already read.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I have read,
Okay.
ma'am.
So who? I am waiting for your letter. Okay. I have sent email. Himanshi, I was hoping that you are going to send me letter, not email.
Ma'am.
Yesterday history, tomorrow is history. Thank you so much for your support.
I had gone to find the post office. I had met my very beautiful letter for you informal letter, but I didn't find the post office near me. Then what can I do?
You don't be hurried. Speak slowly. Now tell me, what did you say?
Ma'am, I had talent that I had made very beautiful letters for you, informal letter,
Yeah.
but
Mm.
ma'am, your voice is cutting.
You just speak on. I'm listening to you.
Okay.
Tell me.
I had made a very beautiful letter for you, but I didn't find the post office near me. So what can I do?
Do you want address of post office? Post office is just after Gandhi Chowk, you can say. Way to,
Ma'am, can I say
what you call?
Guest House Road? Guest House Road.
Guest house.
City Bank.
Okay. Guest house. Okay. So it is
Only
in
one,
right side of.
Ma'am, in our Mobi Taluka only one post office service is only found. So it is very means kilometer very high from our area.
Okay. So listen, if you're not finding what to call post office, do one thing, write down in a simple paper, take one A4 size paper, okay, write down over there the letter and put it in a cover, envelope, okay, put the letter in a envelope and send me. It is that was simple. You can send me in my home address or you can send directly to school because most of the time I stay in school only from 7 morning to till 1:30. So it will be better. I will receive your what you call letters very soon.
मैंने तो
Now next
पोस्ट डाल दिया है मैम, आ ही जाएगा आपके पास।
मैम
उसके डाल दिया है मैम।
okay beta.
मैम
Fine. Moving to yes.
मैम कैन आई से वन थॉट?
I have read two thoughts are there beta. Monil has said one thought and who is that? Let me read his thought.
So मैम tomorrow may I?
Yeah, Avinav. Yes, okay. You can, beta. Now moving to next reading part. Next student is Dweja Bhatt. After Dweja Bhatt, Gracie Bharadwaj will read. Dweja Bhatt, please turn on your camera and start reading. Dweja.
Yes, ma'am.
Dweja.
Ma'am,
Where are
1
you?
minute. Ma'am, I am here. 1 minute.
Okay, no problem. Beta. Okay.
Ma'am, from starting I have to read.
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am. My first glimpse of the lake did not give me a sense of its vastness. Driving down from Bhubaneswar, I had approached the lake from its northwestern side through a village named Mangala Jodi soon. Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Okay, it is Mangala Jodi.
Okay, ma'am. Soon, however, I reached a path that narrowed down further till it became a bound that sliced the marshlands into two. On one side, hundreds of the open-billed storks were feeding in the shallow water, while on the other side, the streaked warblers were creating an endless cacophony. This was a Chilika, the finest bird sanctuary in India and almost the richest ecosystem.
Ma'am left. Ma'am joined.
Okay, I have let, sorry, because of network issue in our school, it is there today. Okay. So, Deja, it is not finest, it is finest. Okay, fine, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Understand?
But ma'am, your voice
Page
is
number 10
cutting.
and first paragraph. Okay, you read. I can listen if you.
So I start, ma'am, reading.
Page 9, first paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. Ecosystems in the world. This unique half saltwater, half freshwater lake in Odisha is 70 km in length and 30 km in breadth. It is Asia's largest brackish lake and is the habitat of a number of species of plant and animals. It is one of the largest habit of the number of species of plants and animals. It is one of the largest largest wintering grounds for migratory birds in the Indian subcontinent. While I was admiring the lake, my friend told me its history and how one man with a team of
Deja, you did mistake in that word is migratory. Next word you did did mistake in admiring. Okay, fine. Yes. So
okay,
I'm
ma'am.
giving you marks. Your score is 4. Okay, out of 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Moving to next student that I have already made sequence. What is the next student's name? Gracie. Gracie Bharadwaj. Read beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday I have received only Vivan's reading part. Okay, many of you haven't sent me yet.
I was outside, so I was forgotten. So I will send today
No,
till noon.
I can understand you. I can understand better because you are also so. Yes, you are so.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting. Ma'am, voice is
Yes, I can understand.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Grace, right? Let Grace go take the next paragraph. After Grace, Abhinav will read. Okay. Let Gracie.
Yes, ma'am.
Number
In
39.
1981, Chilika was in 1981, Chilika was recognized as a Ramsar Site for its ecological importance and rich biodiversity in a matter of 10 years. All these changes, Chilika was tagged as a regarded society and put on the red list. This was because of a dual tragedy that struck Chilika. Firstly, there was rampant poaching. About 1,000 birds were killed every day by shooting, by trapping in nets, and by poisoning them with pesticides, and soon the number of birds dwindled to just a few thousand. Secondly, around the same time, the
Okay, Bacha. So listen, I'm going to read for you because you are doing this. Gracie, wait for a moment, beta. Wait for a moment. I'm going to read. Okay. I'm going to read for you first. Listen it very carefully. And where you have doubts, please listen those words carefully. Okay, going to read page number 39. All of you listen. This was Chilika, the finest bird sanctuary in India and amongst the richest ecosystems in the world. This unique half saltwater, half freshwater lake in Odisha is 70 kilometers in length and 30 kilometers in breadth. It is Asia's largest backfish lake and is the habitat of a number of species of plants and animals. It is one of the largest wintering grounds. Brackish. Okay. Brackish, yes. Fine. Wintering grounds for migratory birds in the India subcontinent. While I was admiring the lake, my friend told me its history and how one man with a team of poachers turned protectors had helped to change its destiny. In 1981, Chilika was recognized as a Ramsar site for its ecological importance and rich biodiversity. In a matter of 10 years, all this changed. Chilika was tagged as a degraded site and put on the red list. This was because of a dual tragedy that struck Chilika. Firstly, there was rampant poaching. About 1,000 birds were killed every day by shooting, by trapping in nests, and by poisoning them with pesticide, and soon the number of birds dwindled, okay, to just a few thousand. Secondly, around the same time, the mouth of the lake started narrowing down till it almost closed. So the amount of seawater entering the lake decreased due to reduced salinity. Many freshwater weeds began to grow which in turn destroyed the vegetation of the lake. It was the time that Nandakishore Bhujbal returned to Chilika. So what is his name? Nandakishore Bhujbal. It is Odia name, okay? As a young boy, Nandakishore had once shot an egret near the lake. The bird had fallen, to the ground holding a twig in its mouth. When Nandakishore realized that the egret must have been carried the twig to build a nest, he was filled with remorse. Years later, when he came back to Chilika, he saw that there were only a few thousand birds left. Once again, he felt a deep sense of guilt and vowed that he would do everything possible to save the birds. He talked to the people in the neighboring villages and found out that the birds were poaching. I did wrong, sorry for the mistake. Poached by the Dirty Dozen, a group led by a man named Madhu Behera. Nandakishore met the members of the group and explained why they should stop poaching the birds. He also explained that the forest official had put the lake under surveillance. Because it was now on the red list, the poachers paid no heed to him and instead rudely asked him not to interfere with their livelihood. But Nandakishore refused to give up. He tried to garner support from the locals. This made the poachers so angry that one night Madhu Behera, armed with weapons, went to Nandakishore's house and threatened him with dire consequence. If he did not leave him alone, Nandakishore was not afraid. Kill me if you must, he declared, but spare the birds. They have nowhere else to go. Now somebody was saying something. Please say.
Ma'am, how to pronounce Nandakishore?
Nandakishore in Odia.
Nandakishore.
Understand? Nandakishore and Madhu Behera. Nandakishore and the second name is Madhu Behera. Okay.
Madhu Behra.
It is very common name in Odisha. Madhu Behra, the surname. Okay. Both are quite common name. Okay. Fine. So that much is okay. Now Gracie, you read again. Page number 39. Only one paragraph. Okay. Gracie. I have turned off my camera because there was no internet issue. Fine, beta.
That's nice. This was because of adult tragedy that struck Chilika. Firstly, there was ram poaching. About 1,000 birds were killed every day by shooting, by trapping in nets, and by poisoning them with pesticides. And soon the number of birds dwindled to just a few thousand. Secondly, around the same time, the mouth of the lake started narrowing down till it almost closed, so the amount of sea water and entering the lake.
Okay. That's much enough. Sorry, Gracie. Okay. Now moving to next. Gracie, your score is 3. Okay. Gracie, I'm giving you 3 marks out of 5. Shlok, write down her mark. Okay. Moving to next student, Abhinav. Abhinav Goswami. Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Please turn on your camera and read, beta. I want to see you.
Ma'am, I am having some network issue. Only 20 kbs.
I know.
So if
you
I
not,
will.
there is complaint that you are not studying well. Is it okay? Is it right, Abhinav? But in my class, you always participate. So I said that no, he always participates. But your mother is not agree that. Okay, no problem. Read it loud. Abhinav.
Due to the salinities, many freshwater weeds began to grow here, which in turn destroyed the vegetation of the lake. It was at this time that Nanda Kishore Ujjwal returns to Chilika as a young boy. Nanda Kishore has one shot and egret near the lake. The bird has fallen to the ground holding a twig in his mouth. When Nanda Kishore realized that the egret must have been carrying the twigs to build a nest, he was filled with remorse. Years later, when he came back to Chilika, he saw that there were only a few thousand birds left. Once again he felt a deep sense of guilt and vowed that he would do everything possible to save the birds. He talked to people in the neighboring village and found out that the birds were poached by the dirty dozens, a group led by a man named Madhu Behra. Nanda Kishore.
Okay, that's much enough. That's much enough, beta. Abhinav. Now, Abhinav's score is 4. Abhinav, your score is 4, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now moving to next student who is left. Sahil Kumar. Isha has done?
No.
Isha and Sahil Kumar. If Isha is not ready, then if Sahil is not ready, then Isha read, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Nanda Kishore met the members of the group and explained why they should. Yes, ma'am. Nanda Kishore met the members of the group and explained why they should stop poaching the birds. He also explained that the forest officials had put the lake under surveillance because it was now on the red list. The poachers paid no heed to him and instead rudely asked him not to interfere with the livelihood. But Nanda Kishore refused to give up. He tried to garner support from the locals. This made the poachers so angry that one night Madhu Behra, armed with weapons, went to Nanda Kishore's home and threatened him with dire consequences if he did not leave them alone. Nanda Kishore was not afraid. "Kill me if you must," he declared, "but spare the birds. They have nowhere else to go." A week later, the dirty dozen were back at Nandakishore's doorstep. Only this time they were a transformed lot. Nandakishore's words had touched Madhu deeply. The group had thrown their weapons into the lake and taken a pledge to save Chilika and all its dwellers. They have stood by the promise ever.
Okay, Isha, that's enough, beta. So I'm giving you 4.75 to Isha. Slok is hiding his face because he scored also that much. Okay, we both tried. Ma'am, I don't have textbook. Okay, Sahil Kumar, you just send me the recording. Okay.
Isha has read prior only.
No, we have the record, beta. It is there. Isha's name. Isha's name. No, I. No. It was not there. Isha.
No, ma'am, I have not read this again.
Yes, I have record now. Okay. Now Lakshya Patel will read. Sahil has no book. Better mute yourself now. Let Lakshya.
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshya, please turn on your camera.
Yes, ma'am. Should I start?
Yes, it. Yes.
They have stood by that promise ever since. When one of them broke the pledge, he was expelled from the group, and they handed him over to the forest officials. The team of 11 graduates expanded to over 50, with each of them taking the oath to protect Chilika. Nandakishore realized that poachers had extensive knowledge about the birds. They could identify the migratory birds visited Chilika in winters. They could keep the track of the time the birds started to coming in when they started going back, and they feed on, where they roosted, and every other detail of the birds. He decided to tap their knowledge. He held workshops for the ex-poachers and trained them to become nature guides. They were taught the English names of these birds, and they were also taught how to improve their communication skills, both which were necessary. Both of which were necessary if they had to interact with tourists and nature lovers. Several organizations came forward to make Nandakishore.
That's wonderful,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Wonderful, beta. Your score
Thank
is
you, ma'am.
4.5. You did little mistake in reading. Otherwise, you could have also get 7.5. Get 4.5. You read so
Yes,
well,
ma'am.
but you can change the mark. Okay? Only 0.25. It's okay. Now moving to next student. Okay. Krishiv. After Krishiv, I'm going to stop taking your reading test because I want to show you a video.
No, ma'am.
Krishiv, read continuously, please. Page number 41, paragraph number 2.
Ma'am, from several organizations.
Yes.
Several organizations came forward to make Nandakishore ecotourism efforts more successful. The Chilika Development Authority (CDA) gave them land to set up an office and
Krishiv, turn on your camera and read.
they
on your
also
camera.
provided like binoculars and tents. The watchers turned protectors patrolled the waterways of Chilika. They took nature lovers around in their boats. As they knew the whereabouts of each species and provided food to visitors, the ones with superior communication skills became guides. The city also opened up the mouth of the lake and restored the delicate balance of the water body. Finally, in 2002, Chilika was removed from the red list.
Okay.
It is the
Krishiv, that's much enough. Give 4 marks to Krishiv. Now next is
Thank you,
Mayan.
ma'am.
After Mayan, Rohan will read. Mayan, Rohan. After Rohan, Onik.
Yes, ma'am.
Mayan, Rehan,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
Onik. This is the sequence. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell me from where I should read because there was network problem in Chris's turn.
Page number 41, last paragraph. Page number 41, last paragraph. First, you turn on your camera. Yeah.
Several originates came forward to make Nandakishore's ecotourism effort more successful. The Chilika Development Authority, known as CDA, gave them land to set up an office and an interpretation center. They also cutting binoculars and tents. The poachers turned protectors patrolled the waterways of Chilika. They took nature lovers around in their boats, as they knew the whereabouts of each species and provided food to visitors. The ones with superior communication skills became guides. The CDA also opened up the mouth of the lake and restored the delicate balance of the water body. Finally, in 2002, Chilika was removed from Red List. It is the only ecosystem in Asia to have ever come out of the degraded list.
Okay, Mayan, that's much enough. Mayan Putkar, okay, that's enough. Okay, give him 4.25. Moving to next students, I have already made sequence. Rehan, नाम तो सुना होगा. Read page number 38.
40?
Rehan, 3838. Read.
48. Okay. My first glimpse of the lake did not give me a sense of its vastness. Driving down from Udesh.
Rehan, where is your video? Why don't you turn on your camera?
Yes, ma'am. My first glimpse of the lake gave me a sense of its vastness. Driving down from Bhubaneswar, I had approached the lake from its northwestern side through a village named Mangla Jodi. Soon, however, I reached a path
That is
narrow.
Mangala Jodi or Mangala Jodi. Mangala Jodi. Named Mangala Jodi. The village name is Mangala Jodi.
Soon, however, I reached a path that narrowed down further till it became a bund that sliced the marshlands into two. On one side, hundreds of open-billed storks were feeding in the shallow waters, while on the other side, stripped warblers were creating an endless
Cacophony. Rohan, you need to practice more, okay? I'm giving you 3.7. That means 3.75 marks. Okay? Now moving to next student. Ma'am, can you tell me what mistake I did? You pronounced the word Mayan. You did mistake in mistake in pronunciation, beta. Okay. Onik, Amit bhai.
Hello,
Beta,
ma'am.
read page number. Yeah, beta. Turn on your camera.
Ma'am, I don't have textbook and I am in my mama's house.
You don't have textbook because you are in your mama's uncle's home. Okay. Better take your textbook and other books also because you are attending the class now.
Ma'am, I didn't get to buy a textbook because when I was going to buy a textbook in my area there was lockdown.
Okay, now you can buy, right? Because it's been complete so many chapters, beta, in other subjects also.
Yes. Okay. I noted them.
If you don't have, yeah. If you don't have, then you do one thing, download the PDF form of the book. Okay, it is available in internet.
Ma'am, you have sent in the school group.
Do you want? Send me message so that I will send you the PDF. Okay.
Okay.
So this time I am giving you 0. Okay. When you read, I will give you mark. Fine. So who is left?
Fine.
Yuvati read, Jenny read, Jaspati read. Kevin Korat is left. Kevin Korat is left. Who Shadroja?
Ma'am, I have read yesterday.
Just, I know. I have record, beta. So I am talking about Kevin and Khush. Dharmi also left, right? Dharmi read? Yeah, he read. I told her to include, right? Yes, I remember. Kevin and Khush. If you don't read, I am putting you 0. Okay? Okay. Ma'am, can you tell me that what mistake I did? I told you, beta. Okay, you can. Very nice, Mayan. That's good. Onik is from Uganda. Okay. Fine. Uganda, that means it is a place, ma'am. Fine. Thank you. Okay. I'm going to show you a picture. Okay. Okay. Maybe you will not get sound. Let's see if it is downloaded or not. It is not downloaded yet, beta. Fine. It's about Chilika Lake. Okay. So do you know what is Chilika Lake? Have you? Bird sanctuary. Okay. What is the? Yes.
Once, 5 days ago, the Devansans clicked a photo of the Chilika Lake and sent me. It was so beautiful. It is a bird sanctuary. The all birds, migratory birds with the native birds are from here, but now pollution a lot.
Yes, if you go to Chilika Lake, you'll find the collection of different kinds of birds. Okay, there are different kinds of, even in Morbi also I have seen so beautiful birds. It was in blue and yellow color, different blue. That is not regular blue color that we get. Okay, so that was different blue color, beautiful color birds. I don't know the name of that bird. So there are many birds. Okay, many birds in the world, but we don't know their names.
Ma'am, King
Okay.
Q. ये bird का name.
Okay. Somebody is saying something. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, Chilika Lake is spreaded over Kundara and Ganjam. Ma'am, is it also in Puri?
No. If you want to go to Chilika, you have to go through the road of Puri. Okay, if you start your journey from Bhubaneswar, okay, you have to go to Konas to Puri, and
that the Chilika Lake is spread over the Puri, Kundra and Ganjam district.
yes, it is right, but you have to go through Puri road. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
But the main thing you will find is Chilika only. It is beautiful sanctuary, you know. There is a mandir or temple that is known as Kalijai. Do you know about Kalijai? The story of Kalijai? Okay, Kali is a name of goddesses. Okay, and Jai was the name of a girl of that village. Okay, she was living nearby bank of that lake. Okay, so what happened earlier? People used to get married very early age. Okay, yes, Baal Vivah type. Fine. So what happened? His father was taking the bride to her sasural, you can say, or in-laws house. So they had to cross the Chilika Lake. Okay. So what happened? There was a strong storm. Okay. And because of the strong storm and rain, rain, the not cyclone, you can say a kind of, okay. So the boat, it was turned up, okay, ulat gaya, that means. So everybody who all were there on the boat, they fallen into water, okay. So all they try to get back to the lake, okay, or bank of the lake. But what happened? The girl, Jai, she was not found. Her father, he was searching here and there. He called, Jai, 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 in a loud noise, okay. So what happened? In that time, the girl also called, Papa. That means in Odia it is known as Bapa, okay. Bapa means Papa. So Bapa, save me, Bapa, Ma, like this he called. Fine. So after that he could, nobody could find her in the water, and people believe that Kali Mata, that means goddesses Kali, she has taken the girl to her. Okay. After that, people used to call the temple Kali Jai, and every evening, okay, every evening you can hear her sound, Bapa, Bapa, in echoing noise. Okay. You can hear her noise now also. So I haven't visited that place. Okay, it is like Arami. Okay, I haven't visited yet, but definitely
Like it. Superstition.
But people believe that, beta. But people believe that because they can hear now also. So how can you say it? Yes. But nothing will happen. Picnic in water only. Yes. They used to go by boat, fill off the water body. They just do picnic, eating, cooking and all. Yes. Tell me, beta.
Ma'am, how to pronounce Kalidas temple like that Kandara Goan?
Where is
How
in
to
Kandara?
pronounce that properly?
Where is it is?
Ma'am, it is located on the island of Chilika Lake.
Write down in chat box.
Yes.
I will take screenshot of your attendance, so don't worry about it, okay? See, I have shared with you a link. Please go through the link once, then we will start the class, so that it will be more interesting, okay? Okay, it is located in Chilika, but tell me the name. What is the name, beta? Write down. I am searching the internet. Which place are you talking about? Okay. That is Kandoranga.
The Kalidas temple.
That is okay. Kandora Gaon. Kandora Gaon. I have taken a screenshot of it. It is Kandora Gaon. Okay. All of you take care. Enjoy your learning. Okay. Please collect information about Chilika so that you will take your speaking test. Okay. Speak about Chilika.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, yesterday my mom
Not tomorrow.
a lot of things about Chilika because she is also from Odisha, that's why.
I know she is. Yes. Tell hi to your mother. Tell namaskar to your mother. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye everyone. Take care. Have a good
Bye, ma'am.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Bye, ma'am.
Take care.